Ashley from How to Do Reviews, and today we are unboxing, well, unpackaging a little package from Inkish. Inkish is a temporary tattoo subscription. Every package includes either one design or two designs from their seasonal art collection. These are all like inspirational, motivational, positive messages that you receive, and then you can wear as temporary body art. The single design pack is $5.99. The double design pack is, I believe, $8.99 or $9.99. This is usually a double pack. Yeah, I think that's everything. They're super easy to apply. Oh, and then you do get two of each design. So if you get the double, you get 4. If you get the single, you get 2. Do you understand? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I will link down below to Inkish. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. Packing slip. Every package comes, oh, these are cool. So the first one says stay strong. This is kind of fun, like whimsical font. Inside you have your 2 designs and then your alcohol swab. And then this one has believe, and then there is an alcohol swab and 2 of those designs. I know this is a quick video, but that's it. So it's super inexpensive. It's super cute. If you're interested, check them out down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.